how to fix Ingress timeout error on Instagram app. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then open the apps. Now wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find Instagram, click on it. Click here on the force stop option and then go to the data usage, disable the roaming data and the background data, go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache and clear data, go back again, click on the power usage details, click down here on this force stop, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.